Which one do you guys got?
We have human energy.
Human energy?
Yeah.
That's very broad. What kind of energy do you need? So,
That.
like my ability to pick things up?
Yeah, like that's keeping you from sleeping.
Okay. So, where do I get my energy from?
Sleeping, minerals, food, the sun, water. And sleep.
Mainly food. That's where we get most of our energy from. Do you guys know what a calorie is?
Yeah,
Was it,
I know.
was it
I know, like, a calorie is a number.
definitely
That's,
number?
that's based on, like, something, but I have no clue, like, how they get it or anything.
Okay. So what a calorie is, and you guys will definitely go over this in biology. You guys take biology next year?
No.
They take biology junior. Okay. I'm not sure exactly the order for everybody. So
Yes.
what a calorie is, a single calorie is a unit of energy. It's not a unit that we use a whole lot in science. We use a joule. Named after some guy, last name Joule. But a calorie, it's Joule. But a calorie is the amount of energy it takes to raise 1 milliliter of water 1 degree Celsius. That's where we get the calorie from. Now here's the thing that's kind of interesting. You guys, so on your food, you get 200 calories for something. I have food with like 520 calories for this meal. That's actually not correct. A food calorie, which is a capital C, is actually 1,000 calories, actually a kilocalorie. So when we're eating, when you say, let's say I have a snack bar, so 125 calories, it's actually 125,000 calories. But that's just a large number, so I think it deters people from eating, which wouldn't be a bad thing necessarily. But, huh? Well, yeah, because we, as humans, we have processes that go on in our body. We digest food, we have to move, and it takes energy to do that. But here's the thing: is if you get too much, if you get more energy in than you're putting out, that's going to get stored as fats, as sugars, and it's going to make it larger. But so if we talk about, when we're talking about human energy, we can talk about my physical ability to do energy, my potential energy to do stuff. That's generally what we would talk about if we were to talk about human energy. So I'm just going to put life, I guess, or organisms under potential because we have the ability to do energy. We have the ability to do stuff. So I'm going to put that under potential. Life. Kind of general, but is what it is. Okay. College group, what's another one that you guys got? You guys have a lot, so. Batteries. Very, very basic one. There are many types of batteries. Generally, a battery is chemical energy, actually. Generally, it's certain types of chemicals inside the battery that are producing energy. So, really, I have to kind of put chemicals there, but I won't put batteries up there. What?
We had like stuff that makes heat too, like oil and coal and stuff like that.
That's which you guys will actually learn more about that in chemistry next year, about that kind of stuff. So fossil fuels then, I assume, would encompass that. So coal, methane, propane, all those, they are what's called hydrocarbons. And you have to learn this in chemistry next year, is their type of reaction, because reactions have types. There's certain things that react in a certain type of way. And those are all combustion reactions. They all release a lot of energy. Cars, planes, jets, there you guys see the rocket ships going off, how much energy they have to release to get up into space. Those all use some form of fossil fuel, they use some form of hydrocarbon. Your gorilla at home uses propane. We get a lot of our energy from coal. So those are all potential energies, fossil fuels, because they all store a lot of energy and they release a lot of energy when we ignite them. So fossil fuels. Now, what's the issue with fossil fuels? They create a lot of carbon dioxide gas, a lot of greenhouse gases, carbon monoxide sometimes, and they don't last forever. How are most fossil fuels made? What was that? Well, where did that come from? How did they get to the ground? Dinosaur bones.
They do like the break thing where they like. I don't remember what it's called, but they like break apart the earth. and then they extract it.
But how did the, but where did, what's the actual fossils made out of though? They're old living organisms.
Yeah, like trees.
Yeah, trees. Actually, oil is actually not dinosaurs. That's a myth that some people think. Where do we get most of our oil from?
Ground.
The ground. But where on the earth is most of our oil?
No,
Oh my God. I thought it was some of it's inside.
But what is most oil on land or in the sea? It's in the water, right? I mean, were the dinosaurs swimming? Did dinosaurs swim?
Well,
I
it
mean,
wasn't
some of them
always
did.
ocean.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, maybe
That's
it
why,
was
and that's why we do have some oil on land. But generally, most of our oil actually comes from old, like algae and plant life that was in the seabeds that died and then became oil. I don't know the exact details of it, but it wasn't dinosaurs. I know some of you guys are upset about that, but they weren't dinosaurs.